Welcome to PetesGuide. This is Metric Monday. Today is going to be a short, sweet, simple video. I am one bit closer to completing this metric, M6 only metric toolkit. And because I don't have any screws or bolts that fit this driver, I can't really demonstrate it today. So I'm just going to talk about some of the why that I'm doing this. This is a, does it even say M6 on it? It does not, but it is, what brand is this? Viga. The brand is Viga. I've bought a couple bits from them before. And this is a double square. And so that I've got a good progression here, I'm going to move this Robertson bit over and slot this one in here. So now I have square, double square, and triple square. One of the types of bits that I'm still missing is a double hex. And I don't know if they exist for M6 bolts. But my goal is to get every type and every size of driver needed for M6 bolts, screws, fasteners, etc., and fit them in this toolkit. And as you can see, I'm running out of space. I basically have room for one more socket, maybe two more sockets, actually maybe three more sockets if I put five on each rail, which I think will fit. But I'm missing all of the security variations of these, and a couple other obscure types, several variations of Phillips and of, I hate the word crosspoint, cruciform. This is the term of art. So I'm going to have to find a way to expand this. And in the meantime, I am looking for help finding those additional bits. I need to find a source for a double hex 1/4 inch insert bit that will work with M6 screws, if such a thing exists. Let me know in the comments if you know if this exists, if you have a specification, a part number, a source to buy the screws or the bits. That would be a big help to me. So that's all I've got this time. This is PetesGuide closing down.